Hello, viewers. In today's session, we are going to discuss some very important conceptual and interesting problems from the topic how to find a remainder, right? So, here we are going to discuss some important problems. And the first problem is to find the remainder when 3 raised to 39 is divided by 10, right? So in this class we'll learn the concept how to solve these type of problems. So let us start and let us take these problems one by one, and we'll also see the concepts when we solve these problems. So here we have to find the remainder when 3 raised to 39 is divided by 10, right? So we'll take this number as y. So let y is equal to 3 raised to 39. Now let us rewrite this number as 3 raised to 38 plus 1, because 38 plus 1 is 39. Then we can write it as 3 raised to 38 times 3 raised to 1 by the laws of exponents. 38 plus 1 is 39, right? So now let us write this number as 3 square raised to 19, and here we have 3. So now we can write 3 square as 9, and we have 9 raised to 19 times 3, right? Okay, so now here we'll use the concept. Now see, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. So we can now write 10 minus 1 raised to 19, and here we have 3, right? Okay, now see, here we have this exponent 19, which is an odd number. So we have already solved this type of problem in our earlier videos, and here we'll use the concept. Now see, when we have a binomial like x minus 1 raised to n, then x minus 1 raised to n can be written as minus 1 plus x times lambda whenever this n is odd, right? So here we are not going to prove this result. We can prove it by using the concept of binomial theorem. So x minus 1 raised to n, when n is an odd integer, odd positive integer, then x minus 1 raised to n can be written as minus 1 plus x times lambda, where lambda is some positive integer, right? So now here we have the value of x as 10. So we have x minus 1 raised to 19. 19 is the value of n. So we can now write this expression as minus 1 plus 10 times lambda, and here we have this 3, right? So let us multiply these two numbers by 3. We have minus 3 plus 30 lambda. So now let us rearrange the terms. We can write 30 lambda minus 3, and we can now write this negative 3 as minus 10 plus 7, right? And let us group these two numbers. So we can now have y is equal to, we can take 10 common out of these two numbers. So we have 10 times 3 lambda minus 1, and here we have plus 7, right? Now 3 lambda minus 1 can be replaced by some other positive integer. Let us say it as mu, right? So we have 10 times of mu plus 7, right? So y is equal to 10 mu plus 7, and y is equal to 3 raised to 39. So this expression shows that 7 is the remainder when 3 raised to 39 is divided by 10, right? So our remainder is 7. So this is how, by making use of this concept, we can find out the remainder when 3 raised to 39 is divided by 10. And always remember that here this lambda is a positive integer.